Hello everyone, welcome to today's class, and today's title is Train Wreck. Let's start with the warm-up questions. 1번. What products are transported by train in your country? 당신의 나라에서는 어떤 제품을 기차로 운송하나요? In Australia, for example, they do transport a lot of livestock. Also, they transport livestock by truck, semi-trailer. So livestock is like your cows, pigs, sheep, etc. Off to be slaughtered for food. Also, you see vegetables, other produce often being transported by train because it's faster, I think. You don't have to deal with traffic so much. 2번. Have you ever seen a train accident? 기차 사고를 본 적이 있어요? Not in real life, on videos, YouTube, etc. I've seen plenty of train accidents and they're pretty devastating. However, no, I've never seen one in real life. Now, let's look at the vocabulary and repeat after me. 1번. Metaphorically. 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 비유적으로. So the term train wreck is often used metaphorically to mean a total disaster. So in a non-literal way. 2번. Derailment. 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 탈선. With the recent derailment of the train in the US state of Ohio, the world has been reminded of the true meaning of this expression. So an accident where a train comes off the tracks. 3번. Hazardous. 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 위험한. The train that crashed was 150 cars long. 20 of those cars were carrying hazardous chemicals. Unsafe, dangerous, harmful. 4번. Mandatory. 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 의무적인. Since 2008, many lawmakers in the US have been trying to make them mandatory. Required is another word. 5번. Ditch. 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 배수로. To prevent a large explosion, chemicals had to be drained out of the train and burned in a ditch nearby. It's like a hole in the ground used for draining water. 6번. Evacuate. 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 대피하다. This created huge clouds of thick black smoke and poisoned nearby rivers, killing thousands of fish. Residents had to evacuate. So to evacuate is to get out of an area to avoid danger. Now, that was the preview section. Let's move on to the review section.